y'all, this is Chef Shay with Divine Cuisine, and today I'm going to be making a grilled potato salad made with my DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce. So let's get started. Okay y'all, so now we're getting ready to cut up all our vegetables for our grilled potato salad. So I have a jalapeno, you know I'm a pepper girl, a red pepper, a red onion, and we're going to use the bottoms of the green onions. So I have one jalapeno here, and I'm going to de-seed the jalapeno so it won't be as spicy, but it'll still give it a good flavor. So I'm just going to de-seed these. So now we've de-seeded the pepper, so now I'm going to get ready to chop this pepper up, and we kind of want to finely chop it up. Got my red onion, so I'm gonna get ready to cut that up, probably about 1/4 of red onion that you want to use. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little more. So this is probably about 1/4 of the red onion. And the reason why I'm using red onion opposed to yellow or white, because red is a little sweeter, and I want this, you know, we're gonna get the smoky flavor from when we grill those potatoes and we grill all these vegetables together, and this will really bring out this nice sweet flavor in this red onion. So we're gonna do the same thing with this like we did earlier. We're just gonna mince it up, because all this is gonna go into like a little grill pan with potatoes. So we're just gonna mince this up really finely. Okay, so now I finished mincing up my red onion. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the vegetable mixture with the jalapeno peppers. And now we're gonna go to our red pepper and do the same thing. Okay y'all, so now I have parboiled my potatoes, and I've got like finger licking potatoes that I've used. So we have some red, some red, some purple, just different colored potatoes. So I'm getting ready to cool them off. And parboil means they're not all the way cooked. They still have a crisp to them, and that's fine because we're going to be grilling these. Cooling them down with a little bit of cold water so they can stop the cooking process. Okay, so now they've been cooled off, so I'm gonna slice these up. This is kind of like a German potato salad, but Shay's way. You know, because we're gonna get that smokiness from the fire outside of the grill. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to cut these up, and we're gonna slice them into rounds, or cut them into rounds. Okay, so now I'm just gonna, and the reason why we parboil them too is just easier to cut. I'm just cutting these up. And I like different colored potatoes. They have different textures, so your potato salad is going to have a different texture. It's not going to be all the same texture, and they're kind of, some are milder than others, and you know, and then it looks pretty on the plate as well. Okay, so I'm going to season this potato salad. So we have some salt, so it's about a tablespoon of salt. We have smoked paprika, and this is really going to give it that great flavor. You must have smoked, no other type, smoked paprika, and that's about a tablespoon of smoked paprika. Get it all yummy in there. And I have some seasoned pepper. I'm going to get all that in there, and then we're going to mix it all together. So I'm going to mix all those. It smells, even that paprika, it smells so good, y'all. We ain't even finished with this potato salad, and it's smelling good. I can't wait to taste it, eat it. All right, so now I've got everything nice and mixed together. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it on my grill pan. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to put these potatoes in the grill pan. It smells so good, y'all. So good. And this is going to taste really good once we get this all grilled up, and pretty much everything is, you know, cooked. I mean, we're just trying to get that smoked grilled flavor from this, and then we're gonna go ahead and mix it with my remoulade sauce and a couple other ingredients, and this is gonna be a great grilled smoky potato salad. Okay, so now we're getting ready to take this to the grill. Hey y'all, so now we finished grilling the potatoes on the grill. So now I'm gonna put everything together. Okay, so now we have our nice grilled potatoes here. So now I'm gonna put them with all our vegetables and everything that I had on the grill. It smells really good and nice and smoky. So I put all that in there. And now I'm gonna take some of my remoulade sauce and put that as our bait. I'm gonna pour some of that in here. And I say about a cup, a half a cup maybe. You just want it nice and incorporated, you know, nice and the remoulade sauce nice and incorporated in here. And then we're gonna add some dill, some fresh dill that I have. I'm gonna add a little fresh dill in here. Remember those green onion bottoms I cut up earlier? I'm gonna put some of those in there. And then we're gonna put just a little bit of Divinekuiziine sugar spice, just to give it a little flavor, a little sweetness, not too much, but just a little, probably like a teaspoon. And we're gonna just mix all that together. It smells good, it looks good. Okay, so now it's well incorporated with the Divinekuiziine Remoulade. So now I'm gonna put it in my dish. It smells good, all the spices and herbs and everything came together. This is gonna be some good potato salad, y'all, I'm telling you.